Today we're going to talk about promenade. Now I know everybody says, oh, promenade, we already know how to do promenade, but I guarantee you, here's what happens in promenade. Have you ever heard of something called the 3 lines of promenade? Well, we're going to do it today. When you dance promenade, you are, say, here. If that is my line of dance coming towards you, my partner is here, and everybody does that. They turn away from the partner, they open out from the partner to go to promenade. I'm going to show you right now why that is a bad idea. So we've all been taught that here in the proper dance position, if I wanted to dance to promenade, then I turn to promenade and I turn my partner to promenade. And then we dance there. Well, at DanceKinesis, I like to call that the farmer step, because it's almost as if we're turned this way and we're going, ahoo, ahoo. But you don't want to do that when you dance. So we have what we call the 3 lines of promenade.